Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes and interviews some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. So we're back with a Tech Tuesday. And of course, again, make sure you guys do like and subscribe for these segments if you're just looking for helpful tips on, technical advice, and or if you just really like our, segments that we do with interviews and entertainment, behind the scenes, and much more. So again, this is OBS, and we're talking about different segments within OBS, and these are all segments that we've created from comments and information that you guys have emailed us out there that you're stuck on, or you're held up on, or you've had issues with, or whatever it may be. We try to put these short segments out there. So we've had quite a few emails and comments and information about the issues with OBS and Blurry, and it records blurry. Yes, it's gonna, because basically you're taking and recording another screen, and it's recording off of that other screen that creates a lower DPI. And we had talked a little bit in last segments and training videos how to correct some of that. Now, the reason why I'm making this segment, another segment in regards to this, is because what will help us is let us know what you guys out there, where you're having this issue within the blurry screens. We know it's through OBS, but how are you re-record? Are you just recording it on OBS and not editing it after it's done? Or are you, it all depends on, various features that you're using, so we can kind of help you out, to try to alleviate from some of this blurriness and some of these issues, because there are ways that you can create, as you see here, the OBS, it's a little blurry back here. There's ways that you can actually sharpen this through many different editing programs, which we've talked about, the use of Shotcut, DaVinci, and there's many others out there. So let us know what you're using, what you're having holdups on. Throw those in the comments. So I'll try to put together separate segments in that, depending upon what editing programs you're using, or if you're not using an editing program, we'll kind of tell you what's best to use and how to alleviate from some of this resolution issue. So be looking out for future segments for whatever you guys have sent us, and we'll keep putting these out there on our Tech Tuesdays. And again, we appreciate you stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.